past few days and
No, certificated dahil po na.
so amazing. So yung lakbay nyo, it's gonna be wonderful. So excited. We've been through rehearsals 4 days already, so we know it's gonna be a good show, and I know that this year we're
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Possible Top 2. Ito ang komento ng isang vlogger mula sa ibang bansa, kay Miss Universe Philippines Michelle D, at Miss Thailand na si Antonia Porcil. Bago ang kanilang beauty day ngayon with Miss Olivia Kido, ay navidyohan ang dalawa na napapaligiran ng maraming photographers at media, na nag-i-interview sa kanila. Napakasaya ng dalawa habang isa-isa nilang sinasagot ang mga katanungan ng media, at nagbigay na rin ng komento tungkol sa kanilang Miss Universe journey. Ating panoorin ang kanilang video. Pero bago yan, maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel para sa iba pa nating Miss Universe 2023 update.
Yes, I wanted to say maraming salamat sa inyo so much for making the journey across the world.
Pero na yung talaga?
Witness the amazing production show that we have in store for all of you. Of course, we've been rehearsing the past few days and
No, certificated dahil po na.
so amazing. So yung lakbay nyo, it's gonna be wonderful. So excited. We've been through rehearsals 4 days already, so we know it's gonna be a good show, and I know that this year they're pulling all the strings and they're gonna do their best. It's a little taste of almost like 2018, but better. If you see the design of the stage we've been rehearsing, so we've seen the sides. It's breathtaking. I'm so honored and privileged
Wow.
to be a part of it. All of us delegates feel
En Thailand yan, yo quiero una foto con Thailand. Yo quiero una foto con Thailand.
definitely groundbreaking. And what makes it the best is having all of you here supporting us straight from home and being the support and the love that we need during this time, because it's hard for us to be here on the other side of the world all by ourselves. But with you guys here, it will make it a little bit easier for us to be more comfortable on stage, especially with your cheering and your voting. Don't forget to vote. And of course, please, even if it's not us, please support all the other delegates that will be on the stage as well, because we're all here for the same reasons and we all want to